Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the resolution of a video in Adobe Express. This is incredibly useful when you need to optimize your videos for different platforms or adjust the quality for file size purposes. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your Adobe Express account. After signing in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can start creating in your dashboard. Look for the option that says Create Video and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can choose from various video options, select your preferred video format to begin working on your project. Now, direct your attention to the bottom of the editor. Here you'll see an area where you can add your video files. You have two options. You can either drag and drop your video files directly into this space, or you can click on Add Media to manually select your files. For this tutorial, let's click on Add Media. A menu will appear with different upload options. Click on Upload from Device to browse your computer's files, locate and select the video you want to upload, then click Open. Your video will begin uploading to the editor, and depending on the file size, this might take a moment to complete. Once your video is uploaded and ready, navigate to the upper right corner of the screen and click on Download. This is where you'll access the resolution settings. In the download menu, look for video resolution and click on the drop-down menu below it. You'll see several options available, such as 720p, 1080p, and 4K. Choose your preferred video resolution based on your needs. Higher resolutions like 4K offer better quality but result in larger file sizes, while 720p is more compressed and easier to share. After selecting your desired resolution, click Download to save your video. Alternatively, there's another method to adjust your video settings. Navigate to File in the upper left corner of the screen, click on it, and then select Resize from the drop-down menu. However, I should mention that I'm currently using a free trial account. If you upgrade your account, you'll unlock additional customization options where you can manually adjust the width and height of your video to meet specific requirements. Adobe Express also provides preset options for various social media platforms. You'll find options tailored for Instagram portrait or story formats, TikTok, Facebook posts, and more. To access these, navigate to Browse and select Video from the menu. Under Standard Videos, you can choose between a video with 1920 by 1080 pixels or a mobile video format. If you click on Social Videos at the top, you can also customize your video specifically for different social media apps, making it incredibly convenient for content creators who need to export videos in multiple formats. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change the resolution of your video in Adobe Express using multiple methods. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.